5.4, number 2. Fundamental theorem calculus, part 2. Evaluating a definite integral. So we need to know the antiderivative of 3 to the x. In order to do that, we should probably know what the derivative of 3 to the x is. So the derivative of 3 to the x, that is an a to the u. So the derivative of a to the u is itself times the natural log of the base times the derivative of the exponent, which is just 1 in this case. So our derivative is 3 to the x times natural log 3. So our antiderivative is still 3 to the x, but in this time we're going to divide by the natural log of 3. And if you're not sure if your antiderivative is correct, you can always do a derivative and see if you get what you started with. So we can consider that 1 over natural log of 3 times 3 to the x. And the 1 over natural log of 3 is just a constant, so it'll just float. So the derivative of this is 1 over natural log of 3 times the derivative of 3 to the x, which is 3 to the x, times the natural log of 3. And then our natural log 3's disappear, and we do get 3 to the x. So feeling pretty good about our antiderivative. And so we're going to evaluate it from 2 to -1, which is a little unusual because we have a smaller number on top. So if this is my 3 to the x right here, we're going from 2 to -1. We're starting here, we're finding the area under the curve. It's above the x-axis, but we're starting at -1. Well, let's see, from 2 to -1, usually we go from a to b. Our a here is 2, so from 2 to -1. So we're going to actually get a negative answer because we're going backwards and accumulating area that is above the x-axis. Alright, so plugging in -1, I get 3 to the -1 over natural log of 3. I guess you could call that 1 over 3 natural log of 3, minus, plugging in the 2, I have 3 squared over natural log of 3, so minus 9 over natural log of 3. So I suppose we could get a common denominator and combine them. I don't know what the book did as far as decimal, but I could go 3 over 3, so I get 1 over 3 natural log of 3 minus 27 over 3 natural log of 3, giving me -26 over 3 natural log of 3. Calculator, integral from 2 to -1, we get -6 or 7.8887 and so on. -26 divided by 3 natural log 3.